Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to pause YouTube TV subscription. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to access your YouTube TV account. So visit the YouTube TV website and log in into your account using your credentials. If you are already logged in, proceed to the next step. The following step is to go to your account settings. Click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the YouTube TV interface in the drop down menu. Select settings or account. The next step is to navigate to the membership section. So in the account settings menu, locate the membership or billing section. Click on it to access your subscription and billing details. The fourth step is to pause your subscription. So within the membership or billing section, you should see the option to manage your subscription. Look for a button or link that allows you to pause or suspend your subscription. Click on it to initiate the pause process. The last step is to specify the duration of the pause. So you may be asked to select the duration for which you want to pause your YouTube TV subscription. It could be a specific number of weeks or months. Choose the desired pause duration and confirm your selection. Follow any additional prompts or instructions provided to complete the process. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.